So today I'm going to show y'all how to bleach the knots on your lace closure, so that way it'll give you a more natural look. Okay, so of course you need to have a closure. You need a bowl to mix in the bleach and the developer. You need to have some bleach. This is the bleach that I'm using. You can find this at your local beauty supply store, Sally's, or whatever. And I'm going to be using a 20 volume developer. You're also going to need something to mix the bleach with. And to apply the bleach to the lace closure, I'm going to be using a butter knife. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get your consistency right for the bleach.
Wake up, wake up. Gotta heat the paper, plus get faded. Gotta call your job, tell them you won't make it. Ain't nobody here, baby, let's get wasted. We should just get naked. Cause I've been working hard and I know you be on that same shit. Every other day's a different game that you just can't win. I just wanna ease your mind and make you feel alright.
That's how you want it. You don't want it too drippy. Okay, now I'm gonna use I'm not doing it in no special type of order, but I'm not pushing it down into the hair, and I want to make sure I cover all the spots. That's it. I'm gonna let this sit 15-20 minutes max, no longer than that, because we just want to lighten the knots and it doesn't take long. I'm gonna rinse it out with neutralizing shampoo, and then I'm going to just co-wash it a little bit, and then it will be good to go. So you just let this set. As you can see, all of the lace is covered with the bleach. Okay, so I made sure I washed it really good with the neutralizing shampoo. You want to wash it good, but you do want to be delicate because the lace is kind of fragile. Washed it really good and make sure there's no more bleach inside the closure. And I'm going to really quick do a really light shampoo and condition on the closure. This is the shampoo we're going to use. And this is the conditioner that I will be using. You guys can see. So I'm going to do light shampoo. I'm going to let the conditioner actually sit on the hair for a little bit, and then I'm going to rinse it out and let it air dry. And that is how you bleach your knots. I will come and do a shot after it has That's how you bleach your knots. Part 2 of this video will be me replacing the lace closure on the wig. So stay tuned. Okay, really hope y'all can see because this is the best lighting I have right now. All I did was pin down the closure onto the canvas here, and I also pinned down the wig. You want to get it as close as possible to the closure, so that way it'll be easier to sew. Now for me, when I'm first gonna start sewing it, I'm gonna start from this side, so that's why I don't have that side really close. Because I'm gonna hold that with one hand, pull it up close, and then I'm going to begin sewing here. And I will come back when I'm about halfway through, and I'll show you guys how I finish it out.
Got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B. I run this shit like cardio. I'm in district in the chain. Certified, you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to change, beat it up like piñata. Tell the job to close the curtains. That bitch make you nervous.
Chambean, chambean, pero no jalan. Tú compras todas las Jordan, a mí me las regalan. I spend in the club, what you have in the bank. This is the new religion bank, el latino gang, gang, yeah. Está toda servieta, pero es que en el closet tengo mucha grasa. Ya mudé la Gucci pa' dentro de casa, yeah. Cabrón, a ti no te conocen ni en plaza. El diablo me llama, pero Jesucristo me abraza. Guerrero como Eddie, que viva la raza, yeah. Me gustan boricua, me gustan cubana. Me gusta el acento de la colombiana. Como me ve el culo la dominicana. Lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico, pim, pim. Billetes de 100 en el maletín.
Certified, you know I'm gang, 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 gang. Drop the top and blow the brand. Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name? I need the dollars to change, beat it up like piñata. Tell the job to close the curtains. That bitch make you nervous.
Como Celia Cruz tengo el azúcar.